लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन इंडिया कौन सा है? गंगा। ठीक, तो गंगा इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन इंडिया विद इन इंडिया विथ ए टोटल लेंथ ऑफ 25 किलोमीटर, मतलब 2525 किलोमीटर. इट ओरिजिनेट्स एट देवप्रयाग वेयर भागीरथी एंड अलकनंदा रिवर मीट्स फ्लोज थ्रू उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, झारखंड एंड वेस्ट बंगाल बिफोर एंटरिंग बांग्लादेश एज द पद्मा. Ganga basin covers 26% of India's geographical area, support 43% of population. Namami Gange program, launched in 2014, is a flagship initiative for cleaning and rejuvenating the Ganga river. Brahmaputra river is 2900 kilometers long, but only 916 kilometers of its course lies in India, primarily through Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Bangladesh as Jamuna. It is known for annual flooding and braided channels. Godavari, known as Dakshin Ganga, is the longest river in peninsular India with length of 1465 kilometers. It flows through Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, emptying to Bay of Bengal. Indus River is 3180 kilometers long, but only 1114 kilometers of its flow through India, mainly in Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, before entering Pakistan. ठीक, the Indus Water Treaty 1960 governs water sharing between India and Pakistan. भागीरथी रिवर ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम गोमुख. कहाँ से? गोमुख से. Bhagirathi river originates from Gomukh, which is the snout of Gangotri glacier, located at Shivling Peak in Uttarkasi district of Uttarakhand. The river source is at an altitude of 3892 meters, and it flows through deep gorges and narrow valleys before meeting Alaknanda at Devprayag to form Ganga river. Bhagirathi rivers hold mythological significances, as King Bhagirath Penance is believed to have brought the Ganga from heaven to earth. Gomukh is a popular trekking destination offering insights into glacial dynamics and climate change impacts. ठीक, Gangotri is the town near Gangotri glacier. It is home of Gangotri temple dedicated to Ganga Mata, but not the exact origin of Bhagirathi. ठीक, Tapovan is the high altitude meadow near Gomukh, known for spiritual significance and mountaineering expedition. ये ओरिजिन से नहीं. विष्णु प्रयाग इज द कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ अलकनंदा एंड धौली गंगा. आइडेंटिफाई द ओनली ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ रिवर गंगा विच राइजेज इन प्लेन. तो गोमती. गोमती रिवर ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम गुलोमत्ताल फुलहर लेक नियर पीलीभीत, उत्तर प्रदेश, मेकिंग इट द ओनली ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ द गंगा दैट राइजेज इन द प्लेन्स. It flows through Lucknow and meets the Ganga near Kathi, Varanasi. Gomti River is culturally significant, and Gomti River in Lucknow is a major urban center. The river faces pollution challenges due to urban runoff, industrial effluents, and domestic waste. Son River originates from Amarkantak Hills in Madhya Pradesh, a right bank tributary of the Ganga joining near Patna, Bihar. Sarda River or Saryu, Sarda, also known as Kali Ganga, originates from Mila Glacier near Tibet Nepal border. शारदा रिवर कहाँ? शारदा या सरयू, जिसे काली शारदा, सरयू या काली गंगा, originates from Mila Glacier near Tibet Nepal border. Saryu River is a tributary of Ghaghara, who joins the Ganga in Bihar. Ramganga originates from Dudhatoli ranges in Pauri Garhwal, Uttarakhand, and joins the Ganga near Kannauj, Uttar Pradesh. Yamuna became a dead river between Delhi and Agra most of the year. यमुना इज ए नॉन पेरेनियल है भाई, ये भी यमुनोत्री से निकलता है, बंदरपूर से. यमुना रिवर डज बिकम ए डेड रिवर बिटवीन दिल्ली एंड आगरा ड्यू टू सीवियर पॉल्यूशन, इंडस्ट्रियल एफ्लुएंस एंड डोमेस्टिक सीवेज. ठीक, यमुना इज ए पेरेनियल रिवर ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम यमुनोत्री ग्लेशियर. अकॉर्डिंग टू PCB बायोकेमिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड in the Yamuna exceeds 30 milligram per liter in some stretches, indicating severe organic pollution. ठीक, Government initiative Yamuna Action Plan started in 1993, aimed at reducing pollution, but results have been limited. Which of the following rivers is not tributary of Ganga? राम गंगा। ये किससे मिलती हैं? गंगा जी से। राम गंगा इज ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ गंगा। चंबल, केन, बेतवा ये जो है यमुना की हैं। राम गंगा इज ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ गंगा। इट ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम दूधा तोली रेंजेस ऑफ पौड़ी गढ़वाल उत्तराखंड एंड मीट्स द गंगा नियर कन्नौज उत्तर प्रदेश। बेतवा river originates in Vindhya range and meets the Yamuna near Hamirpur, Uttar Pradesh. Chambal river rises near Mahao, Madhya Pradesh and joins Yamuna in Etawah, Uttar Pradesh. Ken originates in Madhya Pradesh and merges with Yamuna near Chilla, Uttar Pradesh. Which one of the following river does not join river Chambal? छिपरा, काली सिंध और पार्वती। हाँ, बेतवा नहीं ज्वाइन करता है, ये डायरेक्टली यमुना को ज्वाइन करता है। ठीक, बेतवा रिवर इज ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ द यमुना, नॉट द चंबल रिवर। इट ओरिजिनेट्स इन द विंध्या रेंज एंड ज्वाइन यमुना नियर हमीरपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश। बेतवा हमीरपुर उत्तर प्रदेश में किससे मिल जाता है? यमुना से मिल जाता है। इट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ केन बेतवा लिंक प्रोजेक्ट aimed at interlinking rivers to address water scarcity in Bundelkhand. Betwa is also known as Vetravati in Sanskrit text. Betwa Basin is a drought-prone and river-linking project is expected to provide irrigation to 1.08 lakh hectares and drinking water to 62 lakh people. Chipra River is a tributary of Chambal, originating near Indore, Madhya Pradesh and flowing through Ujjain, known for कुंभ मेला। सिप्रा नदी। काली सिंध रिवर ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ चंबल, ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश, फ्लोइंग थ्रू राजस्थान। पार्वती रिवर ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ चंबल, ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम विंध्या रेंज एंड फ्लोइंग थ्रू मध्य प्रदेश एंड राजस्थान। बेतवा रिवर कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट होता है? विंध्य रेंज से। बेतवा ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम विंध्य रीजन इन मध्य प्रदेश। इट फ्लोज थ्रू बुंदेलखंड एंड जॉइंस यमुना नियर हमीरपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश। Vindhya range is geological boundary between northern and peninsular India. The range is also known for sedimentary rocks. Fossil evidence has been found in the Vindhya supergroup. Aravalli range is one of the oldest mountain range in the world. Is primarily in Rajasthan and Haryana. ठीक, no major river like Betwa originate here. ठीक, Satpura range gives rise to rivers like Tapi but not Betwa. Western Ghat are the source of west flowing rivers जैसे गोदावरी, कृष्णा and Kaveri. Betwa rivers joins the Yamuna, right bank tributary of Yamuna, merging near Hamirpur, Uttar Pradesh. It is part of Greater Yamuna Basin, contributing agriculture and water supply in Bundelkhand. गंगा, द बेतवा इज नॉट डायरेक्ट थ्रू यमुना, इट इवेंचुअली कंट्रीब्यूट गंगा सिस्टम। ब्रह्मपुत्र ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया में है। सोन इज द राइट बैंक ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ द गंगा। ठीक, कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट होता है? अमरकंटक हिल्स से। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ द गंगा सिस्टम फ्लोज नॉर्थवर्ड? मतलब जो नॉर्थवर्ड फ्लो करता हो तो सोन, बाकी सब साउथवर्ड लगभग इनमें से वो फ्लो करती हैं। Son river flows northwards from Amarkantak hills in Madhya Pradesh, joining Ganga near Patna, Bihar. The right bank tributary unique for its northward flow. Son river value is known for limestone, dolomite and coal deposit, contributing to mineral based industries in the region. ठीक, Kosi river, Saro of Bihar, follows southward, originating from Tibet and joining the Ganga in Bihar. Ghagra river, also known as Saryu, flows southeast from Tibet, joining Ganga near Chhapada, Bihar. Kosi, southward. Ghagra, Gandak river originates from Nepal, flows southeast, merging with Ganga at Sonpur, Bihar. Which river among the following does not join Ganga river फ्रॉम लेफ्ट यानी कि राइट से कौन सा, तो सोन है अपना। गोमती, गोमतताल, पीलीभीत, घाघरा तिब्बत से, कोसी मतलब ये कुर्सेला मतलब वहाँ बिहार में ज्वाइन करती है। सोन रिवर इज ए राइट बैंक ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ द गंगा ज्वाइनिंग नियर पटना बिहार। इट ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम अमरकंटक हिल्स, फ्लोज नॉर्थवर्ड्स। गोमती रिवर इज ए लेफ्ट बैंक ट्राइब्यूटरी ज्वाइनिंग गंगा नियर कैथी, बनारस। घाघरा रिवर is also a left bank tributary meeting Ganga at Chhapra, Bihar. The Kosi river is a left bank tributary known for frequent flooding in Bihar, joining Ganga near Kursela, Bihar. Which range act as a water divide between Yamuna and Son? मतलब कौन सा रेंज है जो यमुना और सोन रिवर के बीच में वाटर डिवाइड करता है, मतलब वहाँ बीच में है, तो है अपना कैमूर रेंज। एक्ट एज ए वाटर डिवाइड बिटवीन यमुना इन द नॉर्थ एंड सोन इन द साउथ। द रेंज इज ए पार्ट ऑफ विंध्य माउंटेन रेंज एक्सटेंडिंग थ्रू मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश एंड बिहार। द कैमूर प्लेट्यू इज नोन एज केव्स विथ प्री हिस्टोरिक रॉक पेंटिंग्स कंट्रीब्यूटिंग इंडियाज कल्चरल हेरिटेज। ठीक। Bhandir range is a part of Vindhya range, but it does not serve as water divide between Yamuna and Son. Maikal range is source of Narmada river, located in Madhya Pradesh, not related to Yamuna-Son divide. Mukundwar range is a part of Aravalli mountain system, primarily in Rajasthan, not connected with Yamuna-Son divide. ठीक। Which among the following tributary which one is part of Ganga river basin? ये नॉर्थ कोयल और बराकर लगभग है ये। ठीक। नॉर्थ कोयल एंड बराकर आर सब ट्राइब्यूटरीज ऑफ गंगा रिवर बेसिन। नॉर्थ कोयल originate in Jharkhand and is tributary of Son river, which in turn is a right bank tributary of Ganga. It joins Son river near हैदरनगर, झारखंड। मतलब नॉर्थ कोयल और बराकर जो है सोन। बराकर इज द मेन ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ दामोदर रिवर विच इवेंचुअली मर्जेस with the Hooghly, a distributary of the Ganga. It originates from Kodarma Plateau in Jharkhand. ठीक। South Koel flows through Jharkhand and Odisha, ultimately contributing to the Brahmani river, not the Ganga basin. ठीक। Sankh joins the South Koel to form Brahmani river, part of Mahanadi basin, not the Ganga basin. ठीक है। The number of districts situated on the bank of Ganga in Bihar state is 12. 12 districts of Bihar are located along the Ganga river, including Saran, Buxar, Bhojpur, Patna, Vaishali, Samastipur, Begusaraय, Lakhisaraय, Munger, Khagadiya, Bhagalpur and Katihar. Ganga flows approximately 445 km through Bihar, providing irrigation, drinking water and supporting biodiversity. Flooding Bihar is prone to floods, especially in Kosi, Gandak and Ganga basins, causing extensive damage to life and property. The district of Bihar which has a longer length of Ganga, to Patna. Ganga has its longest stretch in Patna district with an approximate length of 99 km. Bhagalpur comes in second with 97 km of Ganga range flow. Patna, an ancient city formerly known as Patliputra, was the capital of Magad Empire. It was a major educational and cultural hub, home to Nalanda University and Patna University. Which of the following river is not part of Indian Ganga river basin? ठीक। तो जोंक रिवर जो है ये नहीं है। पुनपुन रिवर है, अजोय रिवर है, चिलंजी रिवर है। जोंक रिवर इज ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ द महानदी, नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद गंगा बेसिन। इट फ्लोज थ्रू छत्तीसगढ़ एंड ओडिशा कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू महानदी रिवर सिस्टम, ठीक। ओके। पुनपुन रिवर originates from छोटा नागपुर प्लेटू, flows through Bihar and joins Ganga near फटुहा पटना, ठीक। अजोय रिवर ट्राइब्यूटरी टू भागीरथी हुगली, contributing the Ganga basin, flows through Jharkhand and West Bengal. Jalanji Jalanji river, a distributary of the Ganga flowing through West Bengal and meeting Bhagirathi and Hooghly system. Which of the following rivers does not flow through state of Uttar Pradesh? सोन रिवर बहती है, हिंडन भी बहती है, गंडक नहीं बहती, शारदा बहती है। Gandak river does not flow through Uttar Pradesh as it enters Bihar from Nepal and joins Ganga near Sonpur, Patna. Gandak is also known as Narayani in Nepal, contributing to the floodplains of Bihar. The Gandak river is also known as Son river flows through Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and Bihar, joining the Hindon river flows entirely within Uttar Pradesh, joining Yamuna and New Noida. Which of the following river joins Ganga at Fatuha? Punpun. Punpun river originates from Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand and joins Ganga at Futuha, Patna district, Bihar. The Punpun basin is known for agriculture, particularly the average height of Punpun basin is known for agriculture, particularly rice and wheat cultivation, contributing to Bihar's economy. The average height of the Kosi plain from mean sea level is 30 meters. The Kosi plain in Bihar has an average elevation of 30 kilometers above the mean sea level. The plain is a part of alluvial Kosi river often cuts out of Bihar due to frontier. Elevation Birpur 54 meters near Nepal border, Khagaria 36 meters, Ganga river. Khagaria 36 meters along Ganga river, Kursela 25 meters at the confluence of Kosi and Ganga rivers. Geographical significance of Bihar's river system देखा जाए, गंगा, कोसी, पुनपुन and सोन river play a major role in agriculture, transport and water management. Disaster Kosi's river shifting course of the flood require robust disaster management strategies, including embankment strengthening and community awareness. Patna's association with Ganga connect with ancient history, with Patliputra being the capital of Maurya and Gupta empires. ठीक। द कैचमेंट एरिया ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवर इज मैक्सिमम, मतलब इसमें महानंदा, सोन, रामगंगा और गंडक में तो सोन का। सोन रिवर हैज़ द लार्जेस्ट कैचमेंट एरिया एमंग द गिवन ऑप्शंस। ठीक, लगभग 70,055 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है। इट इज़ ए राइट बैंक ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ गंगा ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम द अमरकंटक टिल Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh. The Son flows from follows northwards, passing through Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Bihar before joining the Ganga near Patna. कैचमेंट एरिया देखा जाए, महानंदा का 23,700 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है। ये लेफ्ट बैंक ट्राइब्यूटरी है गंगा का। बिहार और बंगाल से बह के इंटर कर जाती है बांग्लादेश में। रामगंगा 30,881 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है। इट इज ट्राइब्यूटरी टू द गंगा ओरिजिनेटिंग फॉर दूधनाधारी रेंजेस उत्तराखंड फॉलोइंग रूल्स एंड रिस्पेक्ट। ठीक। द सोन रिवर वैल्यू गंडक 45,731 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर originates from Nepal as Narayani and join Ganga at Sonpur. The Son River value is known as rich mineral deposits including limestone, dolomite and coal, contributing to mining and industry. In Sonbhat district, Uttar Pradesh, the Bansagar Dam built on Son River add irrigation and hydropower. The other name of river Gandak is Narayani. The Nepal, the Gandak River is known as Narayani, highlighting transboundary nature. It arises from Nepal Himalayas between Dhaulagiri and Mount Everest region as Kala Gandaki and Trishul Ganga, merging from the Narayani. After entering India, it is called Gandak, who joins the Ganga near Sonpur, Bihar. The Gandak is a historical importance associated with ancient trade route and Buddhist monk heritage sites like Vaisali and Karspriya. Flood management. The Ganga barrage at Valmiki Nagar is crucial for irrigation and flood control in Bihar. Budhi Gandak is a separate river originating from Someshwar Hill, Nepal, flowing through Bihar parallel to Gandak River before joining Ganga in Khagoria, Bihar. Mahananda is tributary of Ganga, not related to Gandak. It flows Bihar, West Bengal and Bangladesh. The Punpun River originates from Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand and meets Ganga at Fatuha, Patna, Bihar. It is tributary of the Ganga, not related to Gandak. Moriband Delta is a subdivision of which of the following delta? Bengal Delta. Moriband Delta is a subdivision of Bengal Delta characterized by high silt deposition and low gradient and poor drainage. It lies south of the Moribund Delta, primarily in the southwestern part of Bangladesh. It is known for tidally influenced lands and oxbow lakes. Bengal Delta, formed by Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Meghna, is the largest delta in the world. Highly silted area leads the formation of chars, river islands, and offshore islands. Regions covered include Jesora, Kustia, Faridpur district of Bangladesh. Flooding and sedimentation due to reduced right gradients. Krishna Godavari for Mahabharata. कावेरी डेल्टा इन तमिलनाडु known for granary India unconnected with Bengal Delta. बंगाल डेल्टा सिग्निफिकेंट सपोर्ट सुंदरबन यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट 1987 में ही हो गया था. नोन फॉर मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट एंड रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर. Climate vulnerability. The delta region is prone to cyclone, flooding and coastal erosion requiring disaster management strategies. गंडक एंड ट्रांस बाउंड्री रिवर मैनेजमेंट क्या है? गंगा ट्रीटी, गंडक ट्रीटी, between India and Nepal ensures water sharing and flood management, highlighting importance of bilateral water agreements. Moribund Delta in geography. Concept of moribund deltas is important in geomorphology, illustrating how sedimentation rates, river dynamics and sea level changes affect deltic formations. ठीक, तो ये हम लोग का गंगा का रिवर सिस्टम का ख़त्म होता है. ठीक, PYQs. ठीक है, थैंक यू, बाय बाय.